Yo, what is good, guys? Welcome back to another video. Next Gen Wealth here. And recently, man, I've been starting to do a little bit more of challenges with trading. Okay, I want to learn more with this, and I want to just try new things, basically. But right now, we're going to be putting $30,000 into these penny stocks. I'm going to be kind of explaining it on why I'm doing it, and just give you guys some news and kind of just a better reach. Okay, but with that being said, with these challenges, man, I do not recommend YOLOing a bunch of money into things. I've just been making a lot of money, especially with the volatile market. But with the market kind of looking like it's going back up, I think penny stocks is a decent move right now just to make a decent amount of money. But I also want to say I'm probably not going to be holding these for that long, and or I might be holding them for a longer time. But I also just came out with a course on how to make your first $500 to $1,000 a month off of $0. It's literally a $5 course. I promise you, you'll make your money as long as you read it, do it correctly, and honestly, just put a little bit of work into it. You can make the $5 back in no time. I'm personally making $2,000 on multiple incomes, and they're basically free money at this point. All you gotta do is put in the work. But honestly, man, check out the link below, and if you guys are interested in the course. But before I start, I just want to say I'm not a financial advisor. So I'm not here to tell you guys what to buy, hold, or sell. I make videos like this all the time to kind of give you guys ideas on what stocks to watch and maybe even buy. But I'm not telling you guys to buy them, and I'm just giving you guys a better idea. I do recommend doing your own research and get with your financial advisor if you're new to trading because you need to know all the risk involved. But I'm here risking money just because I kind of have the money to risk to say. That being said, check out some of those links in the description. Robinhood and Coinbase are two good apps to use. I also have a link to TradingView, which is a great app to use if you want to look at charts and get more in depth with your trading. That being said, first one, Curiosity Stream. Okay. So basically, they're a fractional content streaming platform, and they basically have a market in education media. So it is a strong financial health rating by Simple Wall Street that's like 6 stars due to more cash and then debt and short term assets exceeding liabilities, indicating stability. The company operates in growing streaming market, and it's focused on non-fictional content could attract a loyal subscriber base over time. And I honestly see this getting shout outs by YouTubers and stuff like that. And it's just a great company. Market cap is 167.69 million and is currently trading at $3.10. So let's keep this one on your mind. But long term potential as streaming demand grows, Curiosity Streams could drive subscriber growth, supporting long term appreciation. With that being said, if you want this for your long term, it's a decent stock that upholds its price range to say. Next one, Congo Inc. Okay, so this is not really a U.S. company, I don't think, but market cap 370 million. Price is trading at $3.50, and their sector is automotive. So why consider it? So they operate an automotive transaction service platform in China, recently turning profitable with a net income of whatever that is in China money, I guess. But its revenue streams include Bitcoin mining and automotive services. So I mainly got this one because of the Bitcoin mining. You guys know Bitcoin right now, man, it's looking pretty strong. So this is a short-term one that I might buy and sell, or I already bought it, but what I might sell soon, just because I might wait and see how Bitcoin reacts to the $100,000 level. So the risk, it has a negative operating cash flow and declining earnings trend over 5 years, and that can raise concerns. And honestly, we know how the trade war is going, so some of the stocks might sell off. So keep that in mind. This one is a little bit on the riskier side. Risk to reward, I think it's more risky than getting the reward. But long term potential, if they sustain their profitability and navigate their challenges, its dual revenue streams could drive, drive growth. But yeah, but with that being said, I'm mainly investing into it because of Bitcoin, honestly, just making a rally right now. So that's mainly why I got this one. So EMX Royalty Corp. So market cap 240 million, and the price is currently trading at $2.15. So basically, just a royalty company in metals and mining sector, benefiting from bullish head and shoulders chart pattern. And basically, everybody knows how minerals is going, like especially in the metals. You know, you got gold coming up, you got silver making new highs. I don't think silver is making highs yet. Maybe they are. But I know gold is. So with the current gold rush to say that we're having, it is expected to grow with the forecast of gold reaching $3,000 in 2025. But everybody knows how it's looking right now. I mean, people are saying it can reach 4,000 now. But some of the risk, so price fluctuations and operation cost in mining projects could impact royalties, not yet consistently profitable. Long-term rising metal prices, so everybody knows metal prices are going to keep on going up, and the stocks that are supporting it, basically miners and stuff like that, is going to keep on going up too. So keep that in mind. Next one, we got Waterdrop Inc. So market cap 300 million, and they're currently priced at $1.80. They're an insurance and health tech. Why consider? They provide online insurance brokerage and medical crowdfunding services in China. So it's another Chinese one, you know, kind of risky, not gonna lie, especially with how the market is going. But we are kind of pushing some deals right now. If you guys didn't watch the video I made today, I kind of came out with some news related to that. So if you guys are more interested, you guys can watch the daily news or daily video. But basically, it is rated as a great by Investor Pro with a fair value labeled, suggesting that it is undervalued right now. Some of the risk, so risk in China's financial sector and competition from larger players could hinder growth. So keep that in mind. Long term, so growth demand for insurance and healthcare is great in China and could position them for significant expansion if it maintains its discipline. The last one I think is Global Star Inc. Okay, GSAT. So market cap 400 million and currently priced at $1.50. So they're in the telecommunications sector. Why consider? Basically, it provides satellite communication services, generating $72.3 million in revenue in its latest quarter, beating expectations. So if you can keep on beating expectations, you can keep on beating some money, you know, make it some money. I don't know. But basically, mainly it's just because it's beating expectations, it looks pretty good. Some of the risk, the reverse stock split could lead to short-term volatility, of course, and profitability is not yet achieved. So competition in telecom is intense. Long-term potential has a demand for basically high demand. Honestly, we're just gonna round it up. But how can you find penny stocks? So honestly, man, you can ask ChatGPT to find yourself a good penny stock and then just keep on doing some research based on that. You can watch YouTube videos. That's why I make videos, because I personally look for penny stocks all the time. It's high risk, high reward, but you can hold them for a long time. You know, I personally options trade, but this is one that's kind of gives you the same risk, but honestly, you can hold it for as long as you want, unless the stock goes bankrupt or something. But sectors in focus. So really right now we're in AI, biotech, and quantum computing. So keep those on your mind because you can find some great penny stocks, especially for right now. And if they do something groundbreaking, you can make a decent amount of money. And honestly, if you look on X, man, there's some market hype on penny stocks, and that's probably it's kind of like a meme coin to say. People are hyping it up, pumping it, and dumping it. So you can probably get into the pump, but don't have FOMO and or don't be greedy, and you should be able to make some money. You can screen this. You can use screeners, stock screeners. Also, that's pretty decent. Just look at the shares that are trading daily. Try to keep above 200,000. But penny stocks can be very risky, so please do your research beforehand. But with that being said, check out the Discord, man. It's free right now. And thanks for watching the video. Smash the like button, subscribe if you guys are new. I also have a course to make money off of $0. How I did it. I personally make $2,000 a month just off of these side courses. So please go check that out.